for having a bad voice till now because I did not set my mic properly as it was new. I did not set it properly, and we are now we are at I don't remember this road. I forgot this. I was actually staying here for some time. We'll be heading towards Sadashiv Nagar. Then we'll be moving to Mekri Circle. Give me a second. Hold on. I'll show it to you. This is the way to Sadashiv Nagar, where you will get IISC, that is Indian Institute of Science, and I think so. We'll get CFPRI. I'll tell you once I reach there. Bangalore. Today I'm not finding that much of traffic as of in this road. While I was staying here, man, heavy traffic. We're heading towards Mekri Circle, then we'll move to Palace Grounds. As of now, we've almost reached. We are ahead of 15 to 20 minutes journey, I believe. If we have traffic. If we don't have traffic, that is just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Traffic here at Samaneke. We'll have traffic now. We'll have lots of traffic. As per my knowledge, we'll usually have traffic in Mekri Circle, but we'll check what is the condition today. This is IISC. That is, I don't know what gate number it is. That's actually IISC, which is very famous in Bangalore. Not in Bangalore, all over India. I had been there once or twice for some of my projects. Very good place, very good knowledge people there. This, the way we are heading towards is Sadashiv Nagar. He did not have the food properly today, right? He was not happy with the food in the wedding. Ayyo, it's my brother's wedding. If he listens, he'll screw us. We just reached Mekri Circle as of now. This is a Mekri Circle. There is a big story behind Mekri Circle. There are many videos why Mekri Circle just came into existence. We are near to Palace Ground. This is a Palace Ground compound wall. Palace Grounds. I don't know where actually the function has been held. The Expo has been held. Okay, be at the left. Probably I think so. It is here itself. As usual, same as before. There are many cars here. Where is entry and exit? We'll check. Sorry guys, we do not have parking there, and we have to go to other place to the park for parking. Available, but we have to park at what is that? Tripura Vasini White Petals. This is the Palace Grounds. Tripura Vasini White Petals. Can you see the cars out here? We'll find enormous amount of cars everywhere from the city or everywhere from the state. They come here for this expo. We'll get to find a lot of cars out here. Almost all cars are here from Tumkur, Bangalore, Karnataka. That registration, every car is from Bangalore. Can you see? Car. There you go, BMW. I just came for this only from Europe so far. Okay, I'll just ask the guy what is the cost of that vehicle.
So this is the BMW 750 GS. It's called the 750, but it comes with an 850cc engine. You're gonna have about 77 horses and 83 Newton meters of torque. This is gonna be the top of the line model. So you have a TFT screen, and then you're gonna have a quick shifter. If you can come the other way around, you'll have to go the other way around.
Okay, that side.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Please tell me again.
You have a quick shifter, so now you can shift gears without using your clutch. And then you have something called dynamic ESA. So this is BMW's adjustable suspension, right? So with the press of a button, you can increase and decrease your seat. And also depending on how much load the motorcycle is carrying, you can automatically have the system calibrated.
Okay, that's a nice. Like this is off-roading, right?
I would say this is 60% road, 40% off-road, because if you notice, it comes with alloys and not spokes.
Yeah.
So this is BMW's entry-level enduro mode. So
This is entry level. Okay.
I mean, leaving the 310s apart.
Okay.
After the 310s, it starts off with the 750.
Okay, what about that?
That's the 310 GS.
Okay, I'll come towards that soon. Yeah.
This is the 310 GS,
Okay.
made in India at our TVS plant. So
Okay.
you have a 19-inch rim in the front
Okay.
and a 17-inch rim at the rear. You also get dual sport tires made by Magellan called Magellan Tourance.
Okay.
Engine, you have a 313 single cylinder engine with
Okay.
34 horses and 28 Newton meters of torque. And the suspension at the back, you can adjust the preload, make it soft or stiff depending on how you want it.
Okay.
Comes with the luggage grid. And most of the credit goes to this motorcycle because it has switchable ABS. So if you
that's
take
good.
it off-road, it is better to switch off your ABS so that the rear wheel does not get locked.
What is the price range of this?
As of now, BMW India is only going to charge you 3,59,000 rupees.
This one?
Yes.
3,59,000.
Yes.
What is off-roading and all?
So,
This, like,
I mean, because you have a bigger front tire, front rim on the front, it will be able to crawl across obstacles easily, right?
Okay.
And this used to be priced at about 470, 456
including the
before.
on-road price if you want.
On road right now is 3,59,000.
3,59,000, right?
Right.
If I have to book on some other day, like if I have to come to your shop,
If it's after the month, then the prices might go back to how it was before.
4 lakhs.
4,50,000 actually.
Okay,
So you're
4.5.
saving about 70,000 rupees.
That's great. What about your EMI options and all? Like,
EMI, say you make a minimum down payment of 85,000
yeah.
85,000 rupees,
Yeah.
and you have say you choose a 60-month tenure, your EMI comes down to 7,000 rupees per month.
That's really great. Okay.
47 bhp and 46 torque. The tank capacity is 20 liters. Tires with Benelli Angels. This cost you around 7,13,000 on road.
11 lakh.
7 lakh.
What is the difference between this and Tiger?
Sir, the rate different between, sir.
That's
it. The brand and the name.
It's the same. Or one of the same.
Yes, sir.
There is no difference. Okay. That is 600i, right?
Yeah, that is 600.
Okay, that is not for the long distance ride,
You
right?
can, but not so comfortable.
This is a bit better. What about that price? This is 600i?
See, this is inline 4-cylinder,
Okay.
85 bhp, 27 torque.
Okay. What is the cost right now?
This 8 lakh rupees, sir, on road.
It has increased.
Yes, it was usually around 6,80,000. Now it is 8 lakh.
What about that now?
It is inline 2-cylinder, 38 bhp, 27 torque.
Okay.
Tank capacity is 15 liters. Tires with Benelli engines.
Okay. What is the
This
cost?
cost you around 4,03,000 on road.
4,300 also. Okay. Can I compare with which bike? Like another bike?
Compare with 390 Duke.
GN390. Yes. That is a entry model or
The
what?
entry model.
Okay.
Benelli Leoncino, 500cc, line 47 bhp. Sir.
Okay. What is the cost of this?
This is 626 on road.
626. just finished Auto Expo, watching Auto Expo. This is the place where we had Auto Expo. You can check outside. This is outside of it. Yearly once they make this Auto Expo. Not bad. We had pretty good collections. Yes, it was not really bad. Some people were proposing actually, and they were asking for having a camera. I had an option to enter inside. That was the biggest thing. If I was able to enter, this was entrance. We're just leaving from this point. We were really, excited. We just came. We did not have Tiger. We did not have Honda. We did not have many. Mahindra as well. Mahindra was not there. Cars were there. Mahindra cars were there. Mahindra two-wheelers, no, I did not find Mahindra two-wheelers because my brother was really disappointed with that. He was about to book Mahindra Mojo, right? He was about to book Mahindra Mojo and he was really disappointed with this thing. And even I wanted Triumph Tiger to check. I was in love with that, and Honda's African Twin I wanted to check, but no, I was not pretty happy with that. Fine, let me see with the next year what happens.